Most TypeScript developers treat void and undefined as interchangeable. They're not. Here is the key distinction. Undefined is an actual JavaScript runtime value. It has exactly one member, can be returned, stored in a variable, or compared with triple equals. Void, on the other hand, is a TypeScript type annotation, meaning the caller should not use the return value. It expresses intent. This function's output does not matter. Void signals that the return value should be discarded, not stored or inspected. Here is the subtle part. A function annotated as returning void can technically return undefined, and TypeScript will not complain. This is by design. Void is built for callbacks, where the return value is explicitly ignored. TypeScript's callback assignability even allows functions returning undefined, or any other value, to satisfy a void signature. The contract is simple. Void means, do not rely on what I return. The clearest real-world example is array.forEach. Its callback type says it returns void, meaning you can pass a function that returns a value, and TypeScript still accepts it because forEach discards whatever comes back. The same pattern applies to event listeners. Void is not restricting what your function does internally. It is telling the caller to ignore the result. Undefined is a runtime value you can inspect and compare. Void is a compile time signal to discard. Use void in callback signatures to write clearer, more intentional TypeScript. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.